Want to see a vine grow? I mean, literally, watch it grow? All right. Not literally, but if you really want to watch a plant grow, go to Georgia and watch the kudzu vine swallow the state. Meanwhile, back in Washington state, the poor Ipomoeas get mistaken for thugs. People are reluctant to plant the seeds in the Pacific Northwest because they believe the annual morning glory vine is the perennial bindweed that some call morning glory. The vines are related to the same family. However, morning glories are demure annual vines lasting only 1 year. When the first frost hits, the morning glories are done. Bindweed, on the other hand, is a thug in the convolvulus genus, and it lives with roots that grow to China and nearly impossible to eradicate. In our corner of the country, you can safely grow morning glories without worry of them taking over the garden. They are fun to grow and they are beautiful on a trellis. They are a rampant grower once they get going, but remember, only for the growing season. Now, they love the rebar scaffolding I made to espalier and train apple trees into a tunnel. So while they were getting established, the vines quickly climbed the rebar. I loved the look of the morning glory, covering it for a temporary look until the trees took over. Here are a few that I've grown. When it comes to Star of Yalta and Grandpa Ott, two popular morning glory varieties, I don't see much difference in their color. Both feature a stunning deep purple color with a rose star, but Grandpa Ott has a rosy throat, while Star of Yalta that you see here has a more pronounced white throat. Both are great to grow. According to some sources, this morning glory is supposed to be an improved cultivar. You be the judge. Another one that I enjoyed was split personality. Although I've seen some people describe the curling blossoms as star-shaped, I think that's a bit of a stretch. However, the unique characteristic of the split personality variety, it just adds an element of surprise to the flower. The unpredictable habit of the petals, whether they will curve behind or forward, or some petals not curling at all, gives the flowers a windblown look. Just adds a bit more charm to the plant. Grandpa Ott, who doesn't love this cultivar? In 1972, researcher Jonathan Ott passed this heirloom morning glory seed from Bavaria down to his granddaughter, Diane Wheely. This deep purple flower was the inspiration that started the Seed Savers Exchange. Now, I've grown this morning glory more than any other over the years, and it never fails to bring me joy. Its growth spurts are impressive. In early May, Grandpa Ott is still a tiny seedling in a pot. Planted out in early June, it can cover a fence or trellis by July. As you can see in this photograph from before the turn of the century, I love saying that, 6 plants quickly covered an obelisk and obliterated the structure. Many people are going through hard times, so my goal is to bring you a beautiful flower gift in this series, with a little information and a reminder to breathe. As always, happy gardening.